Create and grade letter grade assignments. All graded assignments must be worth a certain point value so that the Canvas Grades tool can calculate the overall course grade. If you'd like to give students a letter grade for an assignment, you can do so by setting up a grading scheme for the assignment. However, a numerical value must be associated with the letter. To do so, navigate to the Assignments tool within the Canvas course. Click on Add Assignment in the blue rectangle box at the top right side of the screen. Assign an assignment name and enter the details into the Rich Content Editor box. Scroll down. Enter the total amount of points the assignment is worth. For Display Grade As, choose Letter Grade from the drop-down menu. Next, you can select an existing grading scheme or create one on your own if you want to create a new grading scheme. Click the Add New Grading Scheme button. A panel will display in the middle of the screen. From here, name the grading scheme and select the radial dial for percentage or points based on preference and make adjustments. Do not forget to scroll down and select Save in the blue rectangle box. In order for students to submit work to an assignment shell, the submission type online must be selected. We recommend selecting File Uploads. Do not forget to scroll down and select Save or Save and Publish. For a full overview of creating an assignment, please visit gocanvas.stanford.edu and navigate to the Video Tutorials page and select the Assignment SpeedGrader Gradebook tutorial. Student submissions can be graded either through the Grades tool or through SpeedGrader. Navigate to the Gradebook. Locate the assignment just created and type in a letter grade for that assignment. In Grades, you can manually type in the letter grade for each student, and Canvas will automatically generate a numerical value based on the assignment's grading scheme. Then navigate to SpeedGrader by placing the cursor on the assignment title and clicking on the three dots and selecting SpeedGrader. SpeedGrader may also be accessed through the assignment shell. In SpeedGrader, type the letter grade into the grade box. Navigate to the next student and continue entering letter grades for each student by clicking on the arrows on the upper right side of the screen. Please note that although you can assign letter grades, you will not be able to hide the total amount of points the students earned based on the letter grade. The grading scheme will take the highest point value of the letter range. For example, if an A- is less than 94% to 90% range, entering an A- will result in a 93% because that's the next whole number that is less than 94%. If you have any questions at all, please submit a ticket to canvashelp@stanford.edu. Have a lovely day.